Hi, this is Partha from Mockat. Today we are sharing the news for 1st of January 2024, continuing the series to help you with your WAT-PI preparation. The complete news articles are in the mockat.com news section and the link is in our description and first pinned comment. So please don't forget to check out on that. The 5 news for today are: India successfully launches satellite to study black holes from Sriharikota. Electric vehicle sector's growth in 2024. Arvind Panagaria appointed as 16th Finance Commission Chairman. North India's first river regeneration project, Devika. Ola Electric becomes first EV company to get PLI approval. So the first article is about India successfully launches satellite to study black holes from Sriharikota. ISRO launches India's first X-ray polarimeter satellite, ExpoSat, from Sriharikota. PSLV C-58 rocket successfully deploys ExpoSat into low Earth orbit in its 60th mission. The mission objective is to study cosmic ray sources, measure polarization in 830 kilowatt energy band. The primary payload includes POLIX for polarimetry and EXEP for X-ray spectroscopy. The milestone that we made in 2023 are Chandrayaan-3's lunar landing and Aditya L1 solar mission. This follows the 2023 milestones, Chandrayaan-3's lunar landing and Aditya L1 solar mission, including Gaganyaan, Bharatiya Antariksha Station by 2035 and first Indian to moon by 2040. The next article is about electric vehicle sector's growth in 2024. India's electric vehicles sales surged from 48,000 in 2022 to 90,000 in 2023, with expectation of further growth in 2024 despite a potential overall car market slowdown. Tata Motors plans to launch 3 new EV models targeting 65,000 to 70,000 units sales with a 60 to 70% growth rate. MG Motor anticipates 100% EV growth, citing new launches and charging infrastructure development. Mercedes-Benz plans multiple EV launches, while Kia targets local EV production from 2025, aiming for 1 million EVs in India by 2030 within a 5 million car industry. The next article is about Arvind Panagaria, appointed as 16th Finance Commission Chairman. Renowned economist Arvind Panagaria is appointed as chairman of 16th Finance Commission by the President Draupadi Murmu. Panagaria, a former vice chairman of Niti Aayog, will lead the commission in preparing its report by October 31, 2025, covering a 5-year period from April 1st of 2026. His expertise in free trade and contributions to the Indian economy made him the key figure to this role. The Commission's terms of reference include recommending the distribution of taxes between the Union and states, principle for grants in aid, measures for disaster management financing. The next article is about North India's first river regeneration project, Devika. North India's inaugural river regeneration initiative, Devika, is nearing completion and will soon be inaugurated by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Launching in February 2019, the project follows the model of Namami Ganga. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh conducted a site review emphasizing uninterrupted power supply and maintaining cleanliness. Devika River holds religious significance and a liquid waste management project is safeguarding its sanctity in Udhampur, Jammu and Kashmir. Costing over 190 crore, the project includes sewage treatment plants, a sewage network, cremation ghats, hydropower and solar plants for improved water quality and reduced pollution. The next and final article is about Ola Electric becomes first EV company to get PLI approval. Ola Electric becomes first Indian e-scooter company eligible for the government's production linked incentive PLI scheme, reportedly meeting the criteria including the minimum 50% domestic value addition. The PLI certification is expected to bring financial benefits of rupees 15,000 to 18,000 per unit, boosting electric vehicle affordability and driving increased adoption. While Ola Electric filed an IPO recently, it has reported a significant increase in net loss for the fiscal year 2022 to 23, reaching rupees 1,472 crores. The PLI scheme aims to enhance domestic manufacturing of electric vehicles and components. So, the complete news articles are in the description and first pinned comment. Please don't forget to check out on that. On our YouTube channel, we will be uploading more videos about colleges to which you can apply with various percentiles, WAT-PI preparation videos, B-School deadlines, shortlisting criteria, news and much more. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you really find it useful.